Hi, so you want to get started building on Supra, but you're a newer developer and there's a lot of things going on that you haven't seen before or that you just don't get. Here's the first thing you have to understand. To build on Supra, you have to get started by downloading Supra CLI. Have no idea what CLI is? Well, guess what? That's okay. So before we get into making all your blockchain developer dreams come true, let's take a second to understand the bigger picture. I want you to picture something. Imagine you're driving a car, but it only has one wheel. It doesn't matter how nice the engine is.
What are you doing?
You're not going to be able to go anywhere without the rest of the parts. The same idea applies here. As developers, we need the full setup, not just the code, but the right tools to support it. Think of frameworks and environments like engines, transmissions, and wheels. Everything needs to work for you to be able to move forward. So setting up Supra environment is just like assembling a car. We're going to need all the right pieces for it to move smoothly. Well, maybe not exactly the same, because you can't drive a computer. So what's the first piece we need?
No.
Well, think of all the parts we talked about previously. We need some wheels, the part that gets everything moving. And that's what Cursor does in our setup. And no, not the one that you move your mouse with.
Oops.
It's where code lives, but it's much more than that. If you've learned coding before, Cursor is a coding environment IDE similar to Microsoft Visual Studio. The biggest difference is Cursor has built-in AI functionality. More on that later though. It's what helps your project run. What it does is it handles these files and tracks all the tools you need called dependencies. And it gives you a space to write, test, and manage everything you have all in one place. One of the really cool things about Cursor is it has a built-in AI feature. So if you ever get stuck and you're not sure about what to do next, the AI will help guide you, answer questions, and even suggest code. This makes it a great tool and helps you speed up the process when becoming a newer developer. So let's start downloading Cursor. Now we just teleported to the Cursor homepage. And no, I'm not going to baby you through opening up Google. You know how to get there. Just type in Google into the URL bar. Or if you're feeling rebellious, just search up Google on Bing. I won't judge you much. Download based on the operating system you have. In my case, I have Windows. Now go to your download folder. And yes, I have a lot of things downloaded. Don't judge me. Click on it for the installer. You're going to accept. Press next. Figure out whereabouts you want to put your cursor. I normally just keep it as is. Install it anyways. Press next. I like to create an icon on my desktop. Press next. And then install. Easy. Now we're going to click the finish button. So now Cursor has opened up. For right now, you're not going to be able to do anything with it. Now, out of all the tools we needed, we can get rid of the wheels. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to download Docker and getting installed to get Supra CLI.